Ever wondered how 360 degrees cameras make it easier to capture the world around you? Buckle up because we're diving into the world of Insta360 cameras, from the very first model to the latest releases. Today we will explore every Insta360 camera ever made. We'll see how they revolutionize capturing the whole scene, from tiny pocket-sized wonders to powerful action cameras. Get ready for a 360 overview to discover advanced features, exciting upgrades, and the future of 360-degree with Insta360. Back in August 2017, Insta360 came out with its first camera, the One. This little gadget was pretty cool. Lets people shoot 360-degree videos without needing fancy equipment or tech skills. You could capture 4K videos and 24-megapixel photos, and it even had built-in stabilization to keep things smooth. After the launch of One, there was a noticeable increase in the interest and demand for 360-degree content. At this time, Insta360 concentrated on improving its technology so that the next camera would not only meet expectations but would be even better. This was an opportune time for the company to gather feedback from their users to improve their services before their next major product release. Then, the next milestone came in October 2020, with the One X successor of the Insta360. This camera offered a better image quality, and it came with FlowState stabilization, a stabilization feature that provides gimbal-like stabilization without requiring additional accessories. The One X was especially popular with action sports athletes who require stable and good quality footage. This feature made it one of the best options to record all the exciting stunts with better clarities of images, such as skiing or mountain bike riding. January 2020 was important for Insta360. They released the One R. This camera was special because you could change its parts. You could make it a 360 degrees camera or a regular action camera by switching the lenses. This was new and exciting for many people. The One R had some cool features like hands-free operation and point-to-track for easy subject tracking. At that moment, Insta360 also worked with another company called Leica to make a really good lens. This lens enhanced the picture quality, so that the user could take very clear and detailed pictures. Alright, in between their One R series, they also introduced another Insta360 series, which was Go-To. It was tiny, about the size of your thumb. Even though it was small, it could take good videos. People liked it because they could carry it anywhere easily. Over the next 1.5 years, the company focused on continuous innovation, responding to user needs and improving its technology. This period of development ensured that their next release would further elevate the standards set by the One R. March 2022 saw the evolution of the One R into the One RS. This camera came with a new core processing unit that boosted stabilization and all-around performance. They also added another microphone to make the sound better, and the increase in Wi-Fi connection speed contributed to the transfer of files. These enhancements further enhanced the capabilities of the One RS, providing a grooving and superior performance to the user. Improvements made it possible for content creators to create great videos with relative ease. A few months later, in June 2022, they made a small update called the One RS1. This refresh was to offer the users a camera that is more reliable and performs well during extended shooting sessions, with a new battery and small changes in the functionality. The focus on easy-to-use design was also continued with the One RS1. It remained the innovative action camera that could interest both the amateur and the professional. Raising the bar for compact cameras, Insta360 introduced another tiny powerhouse, Go3, as an updated version of its predecessor, the Go-To. This new version could take better quality videos. It also had a new feature that could keep the horizon straight in your videos, even if you tilted the camera. And that's not all. November 2023 saw the release of not one, but two new cameras from Insta360, the Ace Pro and Ace. These cameras came up with a special feature matched to user needs. They used artificial intelligence to help edit videos. This made it easier for people to make good videos for social media without spending a lot of time editing. Now let's take a look at what Insta360 offered in 2024. We have to say they didn't disappoint their users, with the X4 making a big step forward. This camera can take 8K videos, which are very detailed. It also has a cool trick where it can make a selfie stick invisible in your videos. Another new thing was active HDR, which helps make your videos look more colorful and clear. And let's not forget its latest camera, the Go 3S, which came out on June 13, 2024. It's an improved version of the Go 3, even though it's still very small. It can now take 4K videos. It also has a new lens that can see more around it. By launching this Go 3S, Insta360 continued its tradition of creating compact, powerful cameras that could effortlessly capture and share life's adventures. Over the years, Insta360 has kept making its cameras better. They've made them easier to use and added new features. Now, whether you want to record a family party or an exciting adventure, there's an Insta360 camera that can do it. It's actually amazing to see how much these cameras have changed since 2017. They've gone from simple 360-degree videos to very high-quality 8K videos. Insta360 keeps coming up with new ideas to make their cameras better. Who knows what cool things they'll make next? So that's all about every Insta360 cameras ever released. Do let us know what you think about these cameras. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.